Okay, this year has been an amazing year. 2023 has been one of the most unrivaled as far as I'm concerned. The amount of new discoveries, technologies, medical breakthroughs, engineering, you name it. We have practically done it all. From everything you would have seen in cartoons to everything you dreamt of and you envisioned in movies. It's practically here. Flying cars, going to the moon, and soon enough we might just be living there or further. But between volcanoes, hurricanes, storms, snowstorms, and earthquakes, I want to talk about what's been happening off-planet. This year has been an amazing year for space travel, discovery, and all of the above. So I want to give you a breakdown of 2023 in space, starting with the ESA's year in space. Stay tuned. It is going to be amazing. And once again, thanks for tuning in to Focus. Okay, so this next story comes straight from the ESA's website, or the European Space Agency's website, in case you didn't know. So, 2023 ESA's year in space. 2023's highlight was the highly anticipated launch of JUICE, Europe's Jupiter Icy Moon Explorer. The JUICE spacecraft was placed on course to Jupiter on the second to last Ariane 5 launch vehicle in April. After an 8-year journey, JUICE will begin observing the giant gas planet and its 3 large ocean-bearing moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. Who knows what we'll find? The Euclid Space Telescope was also launched in July with the aim of unraveling the enigmas of dark matter and dark energy. Euclid's first images were released in November, revealing razor-sharp astronomical images with detail never before seen by a telescope across such a large patch of the sky. And after almost 5 years in space, ESA's Aeolus wind mission was retired. The trailblazing mission was tasked with observing wind patterns from space, thereby improving weather forecasts and climate models. Aeolus's data and technology will have an important role to play in the accuracy of future weather forecasting. On the 28th of July, it burned up and in an assisted re-entry, the first assisted re-entry by a mission which was not designed to do so. And talking about re-entries, as space debris becomes an increasingly serious issue, ESA is determined to search for solutions. Together with its commercial and institutional partners, ESA has developed the Zero Debris Charter, launched this year. By signing the charter, space entities worldwide can register their intent to work together towards the sustainable use of Earth's orbital environment. Also, earlier in 2023, the MTG-I-1, the first of the Meteosat third-generation missions, sent back its first images. The satellite was launched in 2022 and carries 2 instruments, a flexible combined imager and a lighting imager. Both instruments performed beyond expectation, and a stunning combined image from both was revealed. And Earth observation is key to keeping our planet and the population as a whole safe. Today, monitoring earthquakes, forest fires, or flooding from space already helps to coordinate rescue responses, but the data can also be used to better understand phenomena such as climate change and support the IPCC's climate reports. Last year, NASA's DART mission impacted on a small moonlet of the asteroid Didymos, changing its course. We'll soon be launching ESA's Hera spacecraft to collect data on the aftermath of this collision. The Hera spacecraft was integrated and underwent testing this year at ESA's ESTEC Test Center in the Netherlands. 2023 also saw the first hardware tests for the second generation of the Galileo satellites. But even more importantly, the Galileo High Accuracy Service was launched in January. This new service delivers centimeter accuracy from space, further cementing Galileo's reputation as one of the most accurate satellite navigation systems in the world. Like I said, Earth is amazing, not just the people, not just the places, but what we as a whole have done with it. Check out the links to the stories. There's an amazing video that goes along with this story. And once again, thanks for staying tuned, thanks for sticking in, and thanks for joining us. Earth is amazing, and like I said, people are amazing. Stay tuned for links to the episode, for links to the details of the story. Check out the episode details. For links to the website, check out the intro. Either way, thanks for joining. Earth is amazing, and so are you. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, and a Happy New Year. Okay, as always, our history is pretty vast and we're making it pretty fast. So I will try as always to keep it pretty brief. But in this case, I guarantee it will. Only for the fact that when I'm done with these combination of stories, I'd like to pose a question at the end of it all. But just to give you an insight into the future, what the ESA or the European Space Agency has done this year has been amazing. They have got a few pretty interesting projects in mind, planned for the future. They have carried out a few tests as well. If you check out the website, you might, be privy to some of the information. I'm going to do a follow-up episode in regards to one or two of them. I'm not going to mention any names right now, so stay tuned. Like I said, Earth is amazing, and thanks for joining. The next couple of episodes are going to be, pretty much the same thing. Short to the point and brief. Once again, thanks for joining and for another episode of Focus.